Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these Christmas pillows, which is going to save me a lot of money. Everything I use for the project is listed in the description box. Everything can be found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start out by showing you, I'm going to start out by folding over the microfiber cloth. I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm going to seal the very bottom edge first. Now this is going to be a pillow that has to be spot cleaned. It won't be able to be put into the washing machine. And then I'm going to just switch to the opposite end. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just seal it all the way up. Now what I'm going to do different is on this long edge, I'm not going to seal the entire thing. I'm going to leave about 4 to 5 inches, sort of like off-centered, in the, sort of like in the center, a little bit off-centered. And that's so I can get my hand in there to put the stuffing in the pillow. Now I'm going to let this cool off, let the glue cool off, and then I'm going to just turn it inside out. I'm going to make sure I push those corners really, really well, because I don't want those kind of moved in a little bit. I want those pushed out pretty well. It's going to give it a more neat look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in with my poinsettias, and I'm going to take these poinsettias completely apart and I'm going to cut off all of the leaves. I'm going to be left with 9 large leaves, 9 medium leaves, I believe 9 small leaves, and some extra small leaves. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start off with 8 of the large leaves. I'm not going to use one of them because that's all I need. You can put that extra one on there, just double it up if you just want to use it. But I know I'm going to use it on another pillow because I'm going to make one of these for each of my 6 dining room chairs. So I'm going to go in with my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to glue them down starting at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, just like the hands on a clock. And then I'm going to glue down the ones in between. Trying to make sure that they're kind of like at the same, kind of like the same length from the edge of the pillow. So I'm moving this one up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the medium-sized leaves. I'm calling medium size. There are also 9 of those, and I'm just going to place it right in between the 2 large leaves that I just put down. Each and every one is going to have a medium leaf right in between, and I'm just making sure that they're layered where they're not all on the same, they're not on the same level. You kind of have like a tapered look, You're getting closer to the center of that flower. Now I'm going to go in with the extra small or the small, and I'm going to lay it in right in between the medium-sized leaves. Each and every one right in between. And I'm filling out the center of the flower right now. That's what I'm doing. And some of them might overlap a little bit. That's fine. Now these are the smallest of all of the leaves. I'm going to go in with those. I'm going to end up putting 4 of these on. So I'm just going to do one at 12 o'clock, one at 6 o'clock, and one at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And that should finish off the look. There's going to be 2 left over. You can definitely stack those on top if you want a more layered look, or it can be left out. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, pay no attention to this rhinestone. I was trying out some things. I'm going to be stuffing the pillow. I'm going to use that opening that I left there to put the stuffing in the pillow. Like I was saying, you could definitely get a cheap pillow from Walmart, just cut it open and get the stuffing out. It's much less expensive than buying the filler. Or if you have an old pillow around the house that you're not using, you can definitely open that up and use that as filling. Now what I'm using is, I'm using this polyester fiberfill, and I think this did come from Walmart, but I picked this up at a thrift store a while ago. So once I use this up, I do have 2 bed pillows that I'm not using that's in the top of the closet. So I'll use that to fill the others, because I'm going to be doing 6 of these to put in each one of my dining room chairs. So I'm just going to fill this up, and once I get it, you know, to the fill that I want it to be, I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and go ahead and seal up that opening. Now once I get it sealed up, I'm going to put these berries in the center. I experimented with a couple of different things in the center, but what I'm going to do is cut off the ends of 6. I'm going to cut off 6 berries off of this bush, and I'm going to put some hot glue right in the center, and I'm just going to put the berries right on top. Now I'm going to, I think 5 berries are going to fit in here, but I want to put 1 more, so I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on 1 more berry and just stick it there. And look at how pretty this is. I absolutely love it. I love it. Here is the finished product on one of my dining room chairs. I absolutely love it. They have these same poinsettias in gold, I believe silver, and champagne at the Dollar Tree, so you could definitely change it up a little bit. But I absolutely love these. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.